You see YouTubers with millions of views, and you assume they're doing fine. But behind the setup, a lot of them are one bad month away from financial collapse. That fake it till you make it mindset leads to critical money mistakes that can destroy a career. I'm going to break down the biggest mistakes creators make and show you exactly how to build a truly sustainable career, because passion without financial structure doesn't last, and I don't want that for you. But before we get into it, if you are a creator or you want to be one, this channel is built exactly for you. Every video I make is designed to give you the financial clarity that nobody else is giving creators. Hit subscribe right now. It costs you nothing and it might save your career. All right, let's get into it. The creator economy is massive, but the reality is most creators earn very little. The gap between looking successful and actually being financially stable has never been wider. These mistakes are common, but every single one of them is avoidable. Here's the playbook. Mistake number 1, treating your channel like a hobby instead of a business. This is the biggest one. You deposit AdSense directly into your personal account. You have no idea what your actual profit is at any given moment, and every January you panic at tax time, wondering where all the money went. Here's the thing. That lack of structure doesn't just hurt you financially, it keeps you vulnerable. One slow month and you have no idea how bad it actually is, because you never separated things out to begin with. The fix is simple. Separate your finances today, not next month, today. Open a dedicated business bank account. All channel income goes in, all business expenses come out. That one move alone gives you the financial clarity to make smart decisions. You'll know your real profit, you'll know your real expenses, and tax time stops being a nightmare. Mistake number 2, ignoring the feast or famine income cycle. A YouTuber's income is a roller coaster. One month you go viral, $8,000. Next month the algorithm shifts, $400. The creators who get destroyed are the ones who spend during the feast as if it will last forever. When the famine hits, panic sets in, and panic kills creativity. And when you stop creating, well, the income drops further. It's a cycle, and it will break you if you let it. The solution is to create your own paycheck. First, build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund in a separate savings account. This is non-negotiable. Then, pay yourself a consistent salary from your business account every single month. Same amount, whether it was a $10,000 month or a $1,000 month. This smooths out the volatility. Your personal life stays stable even when your business income swings. And when your personal life is stable, your creativity stays intact. If this is helpful so far, hit that subscribe button right now. More of this every single week, built specifically for creators who want to build something real. Mistake number 3, relying only on AdSense. Look, AdSense is great when it's working, but it is not a business model. It is one revenue stream on a platform you do not own. One algorithm change, one policy update, one shift in advertiser spending, and your income can drop 50% overnight. Putting everything into AdSense is building a house of cards, and the platform holds all the cards. The solution is to diversify your income. The most resilient creators have multiple streams. You can start simple. Affiliate marketing costs nothing to set up and can earn you money from content you've already made. A digital product, a template, a guide, a course is something you own completely. No algorithm can take it from you. You don't need 5 income streams tomorrow. You need to start building the second one today. Mistake number 4, the gear trap and lifestyle inflation. Here's what happens. You start earning. You tell yourself a better camera will make you more successful, so you upgrade. Then the lighting, then the microphone, then the editing software, then the desk, and somehow, despite earning more than you ever have, you're still broke because the gear didn't make you successful, the content did, and the content doesn't care what camera you used. Equally dangerous, and this one is sneaky, is lifestyle inflation. Your income goes up, your apartment goes up, your car goes up, your subscriptions go up, your dining out goes up, and the gap between what you earn and what you keep stays exactly zero. This is how successful creators go broke, not dramatically,
quietly over time. The solution is this: invest in skills before stuff. Only upgrade gear when it solves a specific problem you already have, a problem you imagine you'll have. And as your income grows, aggressively save and invest the difference before lifestyle has a chance to consume it. That gap between your income and your expenses, that is your path to actual financial freedom. So, to recap, treat your channel like a business. Separate your money. Smooth out your income. Pay yourself consistently. Diversify your revenue. Own multiple streams. And kill lifestyle inflation before it kills your progress. Building a sustainable financial foundation is what turns a creative passion into a long-term career. You have the creative talent. You're already showing up. Now build the financial structure that makes it last. You have the power to take control. Start today. If this video gave you something real, like it, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Tell me which of these 4 mistakes have you been making. I read every single one. I'm Cole Vance. See you in the next one.